You've been handed the most sophisticated instrument in the universe, but nobody gave you the user manual. So you treat it like fixed hardware, believing you're stuck with the factory settings you were born with, that you're not a math person or not creative. That is the greatest lie holding you back from your potential. The truth is, your brain is not fixed. It's programmable, living clay. This isn't a self-help metaphor. It's the biological miracle of neuroplasticity. It's the proven scientific fact that your brain physically rewires itself based on your thoughts, your habits, and most importantly, your desires. Think of it this way. No human who has ever lived was born with the innate evolutionary skill to fly a helicopter. There are no genes for reading aeronautical charts or manipulating cyclic controls. And yet, through the disciplined application of a definite plan, a human can take a seat in that alien machine and, in a matter of months, reconfigure the neural pathways in their brain to master it. The brain physically builds new connections, strengthens relevant circuits, and prunes unused ones, literally molding itself to the shape of the pilot's will. This capacity to reconfigure itself on demand is the miracle that underwrites every human achievement. It is the biological proof that your potential is not limited by your past, but is defined entirely by the purpose to which you dedicate your future. The clay needs a sculptor. The hardware needs a program. So this is your user manual. Understand that you are the programmer. Your definite purpose is the code. The instrument is ready. The clay is waiting. The only question is, what will you command it to become?